Hello students, here I am Dr. Kshatriya. Welcome in my YouTube channel, that is Dr.Kshatriya A. So in previous class we discussed about the difference in between extension and extension education and also the definition of extension according to the Instructional. So in today's class we discuss about the difference between formal education and extension education. That is the types of education we learn in the previous classes. That is the types of education is what? Formal, non-formal, informal. So that is we are going to learn in this class. That is a difference in between formal education and extension education, that is a non-formal education. Okay, so if you want more videos related to the agriculture, so please comment in the comment box. Is difference between formal education and extension education. Formal education and extension education. So we learned in the previous class, that is about types of education in the first class, first or second. So what are the types are there? There are three types. That is, first is formal, then informal and non-formal. So formal education और extension education में क्या different है? अब extension education को which it's also called as what? Non-formal. Okay, non-formal education. So what is the first difference in between this formal education and extension education? So first difference is what? In this particular formal education, whatever the education is taken by the learner through the teachers, it will be in the premises of institutions. It is in premises of institution. That is what? In four wall of institution. That is in four wall. Okay, maybe within a four wall of classroom. Okay, in four wall of institution, four walls of institution. That is the first. In the premises of institution म्हणजे की चार भिंतीच्या आत हे एज्युकेशन होतं. कोणतं? फॉर्मल एज्युकेशन. It is in the premises of the institution, that is in four walls of institution or in the four wall of classroom. That is the first. And this extension education is what? It is outside of premises of institution. That is what? Outside of four walls, outside of the four walls education. So this is the outside of the premises of institution, that is outside of four walls of the particular institution. That is that type of the education is that. It is the on field. It is in classroom, like that. Then the second, so formal education, so whatever the learners are there, learners. अब दोनों इसमें learners है, फॉर्मल एजुकेशन भी में भी है और एक्सटेंशन एजुकेशन भी. तो लर्नर्स कैसे होते हैं इधर? होमोजेनियस. लर्नर्स आर होमोजेनियस इन द फॉर्मल एजुकेशन एंड कॉमन गोल. दे हैव द कॉमन goals. Okay, so for homogeneous and they have the common goals. So whatever the learners are there in the formal education, that are the homogeneous learner and having common goals. Again here in extension education, learners are heterogeneous, heterogeneous and different और वेरियस म्हणू आपण, और वेरियस गोल्स, नॉट कॉमन गोल्स. अब मैं आपको समझाती हूँ क्या है. सो हियर द फॉर्मल एजुकेशन लर्नर्स आर होमोजेनियस एंड हैविंग द कॉमन गोल्स. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you students, you are in a B.sc agriculture degree program. You are taking the admission in the B.sc agriculture. So whatever all you students are there, they have the common goal. Homogeneous, you are homogeneous, that is your age is the same, you are past 12th and after 12th you are coming in this particular degree program. Okay, that is you are homogeneous, same, you are same. So कॉमन गोल क्या है आपका? यू आर टेकिंग द एडमिशन इन द ओनली वन degree, that is a B.sc agriculture, and your goal is to complete the B.sc agriculture within 4 years. So that is a common goal. Okay, so that is a homogeneous and common goal. Here the learners are farmer, rural people, women, youth. Okay, all these are there. So they are heterogeneous. So they are having the different age group. They are 18 to 65 or more than that. Okay, so they are different age group. So they are heterogeneous. Again, why they are heterogeneous? Because their purpose, their want, their need is different. So their goal is also different. Okay, so some are soybean growers, some are cotton growers, some are sugarcane grower. Some want information related to the sericulture, some want information related to poultry farming. So they have the different goals to take that particular extension education. Okay, so that is your difference in between the formal and extension education. Then the next difference is what? So this particular formal education adheres with the strict norms of the institution. So strict adherence of norms of institutions. They having some norms, strict norms that should be followed by that particular learners. Okay, so that is here. The strict rules regulations are there, norms, rules, regulation. Here there is no strict, there is no such norms, strict norms म्हणून आपण त्याला strict norms of institutions. Again काय म्हणू शकतो आपण, strict adherence of the norms of institution, and there is no free choice to, there is no freedom or free choice to choose topic. Okay, to choose anything, topic or whatever the subject. Okay, here freedom of choosing subjects, okay, and whatever things are there, that is etc. So freedom of choice is here. Here freedom of choice is not there. There is a strict rules and regulation is there. Here not. Fourth number. So there is a fixed curriculum is there. Fixed curriculum is there. So in this formal education there is a fixed curriculum is there, and the student examined and awarded degree. So in this particular extension education there is no fixed curriculum is there, no fixed curriculum is there, no examination, and no any degree is awarded. Okay, so that is a difference is there. Okay, fixed curriculum is a no fixed curriculum, so that is a difference. Then the next is a fifth number here. So whatever the flow of information is there or flow of learning is there, flow of information or learning, teaching learning म्हणून आपण त्याला, in between whom teachers and student only, means teachers are teaching and students are learning. So that is a one way flow, that is a flow from teachers to student. So that is a thing. Here not such flow is there. So here extension agent is a two-way flow in between the two-way flow of information. So extension agent who are going to give the information to the learner, that is a farmer or people who are working in the rural area, or they have the farm, they are doing the farming or any other things. So extension agent also learn from learners. Okay, learn from learners or whom they are going to be teach. Whom they going to be teach. So it is a two-way. Okay, going to be teach. So that is the difference. So it is a one way from the teachers to the student, or teacher and flow of information within the teacher and student. Here extension agents learn from the learners or whom they are going to be teach. Then the next is the 6th number. Here in formal education, teacher instruct student, only teacher instruct student or learner, students or learners. Means teacher giving instruction and student obey that instruction. So only teacher instruct student. Here in extension education, extension agent teach to the learners, and if you want they give any instruction, they are going to be deal with the extension local leader. Okay, so extension agent or officer or worker teach to learners, that is a farmer or extension farmer or people who are living in the rural area, and instruction provided by whom? Local leaders. Why this is the thing is there? Why the local leader give the instruction? Because local leader who are living in that particular village area, so they are obey the instruction by the local leader, not extension agent, because extension agent is a new to that particular people who are living in that particular area. So local leader is the person, is an experienced person who give the guidance to the people who are living in that area. So if extension agent want to give some instruction or some information to the farmer in that particular area, so they deal with this local leader. Okay, so that is a difference. Then the last difference, that is the 7 number. So what is the difference in between formal education and extension education? That is this particular formal education start with theoretical and end with practical. Means firstly theoretical knowledge should be given to the student. Okay, theoretical knowledge given to the student, then it end with the practical. Okay, so that is in the formal education. But in formal education, extension worker provide practical knowledge first. So it start with practical knowledge and end with theoretical. How? Theoretical. So how it is a start with practical, end with theoretical. How? I will tell you the explanation of this particular. So here extension worker provide the information related to the agriculture, that is whatever the new technology is there or new varieties launches, to that information should be given to the farmer. That is a transfer of technology with the different methods. What are that methods are there? That is a method demonstration, then result demonstration, again OFT, mini kit trial, different kind of the thing, different methods are there. Okay, so we will learn in next topics. So method demonstration is what? Learning by doing. So first they provide the practical knowledge to the farmer. So how the particular thing should be done. So suppose for example rhizobium treatment given to the soybean seed. So first of all they should be provide the information by doing the particular thing, actually doing the practical. So how much quantity of seed is there, how much quantity of this particular rhizobium is there, how much quantity should be, water should be taken, all this procedure. So that is a practical knowledge given to the particular farmer. So the first of all adopt practical and then it will be end to the theoretical. कैसा जाएगा? So learning by doing, the method demonstration, seeing is believing. सबसे पहले आप देखो जाकर उस पर्टिकुलर प्लॉट पे और न्यू वैरायटी लगाई हुई है, उसका रिजल्ट देखो, बाद में आप वो अडॉप्ट करो. मीन्स प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज यू शुड टेक फर्स्ट, देन यू आर गोइंग टू अडॉप्ट दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. So OFT आहे, मिनी किट ट्रायल आहे, so all these things are there. So here after the getting the practical knowledge, after the successful क्या बोलते हो, सक्सेसफुल procedure of that particular practical knowledge done by the particular farmer, so they getting the more yield, more income, so it will be in the form of success story in the newspaper, in the magazine, etc. So that is the thing. So first of all practical, start with practical, end with theoretical, so like that. So these are the 7 difference in between the your formal education and extension education. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you.